De la Toscane. Des cyprès et des oliviers.
Ang daming olive trees dito, guys. Nagkamali tayo ng punta natin. Hindi dito yung bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci.
Voilà. Il était loin lui, hein.
That's the house of Leonardo da Vinci and we are
Think
going
here? Non, on va pas là. C'est forcément sur la route.
Daming olive, guys. Olive yan. Yan, olive trees yan lahat. It's a huge olive. So malapit na tayo sa bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci, kung saan siya pinanganak. Leonardo da Vinci, the indication is there.
On a décidé. Ah, c'est là, mais le parking doit être plus loin. Je sais pas.
Guys, we are going to the house of Leonardo da Vinci where he was born. Here. Dami ng this is an olive tree. Daming olive tree dito. Ayan. We are going to see the birthplace of Leonardo da Vinci where he was born. And this place is become a museum already. And this is the place where he was born. We will see it. Let's go. So, heto yung bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci. Dito siya pinanganak. So, doon tayo papasok. Mismo itong place na to kung saan siya pinanganak.
Ah, c'est la sortie. Là.
Ito yung entrance.
Voilà.
Yan, nakasulat Casa Natali de Leonardo. Ibig sabihin dito siya pinanganak. Guys, this is the place birth of Leonardo da Vinci where he was born. It's here in this house.
Yes, and she has to close the door after there's a...
Pasok na tayo. Ito yung bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci. Dito siya pinanganak at dito siya lumaki. Yan ang bahay nila dati. Ito. This is what his room. Video presentation explaining about this house of Leonardo da Vinci. Tignan ninyo guys yung atip. There. Guys, imagine, ito yung bahay na sikat na painter at engineer na si Leonardo da Vinci. Ito siya. So we are lucky to visit his house. This is his birthplace where he was born and lived here. Tingnan yung books na binabasa niya ito. Sobrang laki ng books. Yan. This is Leonardo's life. Ito yung biography niya. Atong. Atong. Floor, ganyan talaga yung floor nila dati, made up of big stone on the floor. Yan. Ano biography ni Leonardo da Vinci.
Seduto, appoggiato ad un bastone al ritratto di Dio.
These are the face of Leonardo da Vinci.
Illegitimate natural means they were not married. Notary, Pietro, and woman named Caterina, they were not married, that's why I call it.
This is the personal life of Leonardo da Vinci and all the years that he doing his work.
The important why of all the papers, because he gave it to his friend, and the friend did not burn it, or they kept it.
Leonardo died on May 2nd, leaving all his manuscripts and drawings to the painter and Francesco Medici.
Which was a
When Leonardo's father had his son, he wasn't already married. No, he was the first son. That's why I think he gave him surname Da Vinci. Da Vinci.
That's his parcours, the way he went all his travels. So it's a Plaza Florence in the went on. Almost went to Switzerland, but not exactly.
This is the places we went.
Yes, and then he finished basically in France. Huh?
Mm.
Here is a castle, Blois, there can see.
He went to 41 cities, places or cities.
Mais il n'est pas passé par la Suisse. Il a la Sienne ici. Sienne Florence. Ah, you see it on the map.
Guys, tignan ninyo yung house ni Leonardo da Vinci. Ito yung collection niya. Okay, the house of Leonardo da Vinci, it was opened 2022.
And then they restored because it was really a ruin.
Yeah.
Restored it.
His house is this one, all the before, and they didn't yet repair.
No, that's already repaired. For his birth, after his birth, they restored the house.
It means it's 500 years old.
No, yes, but it was just ruins. So I mean, not much was a lot.
Leonardo da Vinci's last journey dito, yun sa map na yun yung may red.
T'as vu, il est passé à Lyon.
Yes.
Il n'est pas passé à Genève. Il aurait pu, mais voilà.
Imagine, this is the places that he went.
So he never was in Rome.
Guys, we are done visiting the house of the Leonardo da Vinci. And this is it. This is the house, and then this is where he lives. Now it's already a museum. They opened it during 222. 70 years ago. Goodbye, the house of Leonardo da Vinci. Wait, can ask. So guys, this is the house of the late Leonardo da Vinci, and he was living here. And tingnan niyo yung place kung saan siya nakatira. Very very far sa city, at tapos maganda yung ano. Yan. Yan ang symbol ng bahay nila. So guys, we are done visiting the house of the very very famous painter in the world. And this is the house of This is the house of the Leonardo da Vinci
Birthplace.
and the birthplace. So very old now. It's more than 105 years, more than 500 years
Oui,
in
mais ça a
total.
été plus, c'était complètement rénové. Hein.
And then they renovated
Renovated
to solve the
completely.
problem in their house.
Okay, let's go.
So where's the toilet? Ito yun, nasa likod tayo ng bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci. Ito yung sa likod ng bahay niya. Guys, tignan ninyo. Simple lang yung bahay ng ng sikat na painter na si Leonardo da Vinci. Ito siya. Ito yung sa likod. Tignan natin sa front. Ito yung sa front ng house ni Leonardo da Vinci. Tapos ito nakasulat. Ayan. 1950. Hindi ko alam ano yung ibig sabihin yan. So ayan. Ayan ang bahay ni Leonardo da Vinci, guys. Naswerte tayo, napuntahan natin yung bahay niya. Simple lang yung bahay niya. Ayan. Ito dito hanggang dito. Ito yung niya, room. Yan. Yung room niya dito banda yung room na nasa audio media. Okay, yan lang. Bye-bye.